Happy evening, Dhanalakshmi.
Mm.
Good. Hope you had a great day.
Thank you.
Super.
இப்போ நான் ஒரு வெட்டிங் ரிசப்ஷனுக்கு வந்துட்டு
Sorry, your voice.
ரிசப்ஷனுக்கு வந்துட்டு
Okay.
வெட்டிங் ரிசப்ஷனுக்கு வந்துட்டு அந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங் ரூம்ல உட்கார்ந்துருக்கிறேன் கிளாஸுக்காக.
Oh, okay. Are you fine?
Okay, fine, sir.
Super. So, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
This is really a fantastic day that you came for a reception and you are coming to another room for this session. Really.
Yes, sir.
So that's fantastic and yes. Please start reflection.
Happy evening, friends. Today, I am going to talk about you regarding the reflection. Reflection. It's very essential for every human being for the end of the day before getting into your bed. Reflection is nothing but the mirror. What you did for the day, what you achieved for the day, what you have accomplished for the day. So, always remember, my dear friends, reflection is very essential to recollect, revise, revisit what happened, what you learned, what you thought, what you did, what you felt, and what you achieved. That is what we are going to do here through a simple guided meditation and mindfulness exercises. I request you to sit in a comfortable position or lay down on a bed. Make sure you are in completely relaxed mode and comfortable situation. It is very essential for you to be in a calm position where you don't have any disturbances from any other persons or any other places. So make sure you are alone and you don't have any other distraction while doing this exercise. Remember, my dear friends, we are going to do this exercise for next 15 to 20 minutes. So make sure you are in a completely relaxed mode and you are in a comfortable position. Now, slowly close your eyes. You are focusing only on my voice. You are not getting anything else into your mind. You are listening to only my voice and focusing only on your breath. Inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Inhale and exhale. Feel it. Feel the flow of oxygen. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your brain. Your brain is completely filled with oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your brain. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your brain. Your brain is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your eyes. Your eyes are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both eyes. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your eyes. Your eyes are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your nose. Your nose is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your nose. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your nose. Your nose is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your both ears. Your ears are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your both ears. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your ears. Now your ears are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Your mouth is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your mouth. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your mouth. Your mouth is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your chin. Your chin is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your chin. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your chin. Now your chin is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your entire face. Your face is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your face. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your face. Now your face is entirely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your neck. Your neck is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your neck. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your neck. Now your neck is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Your shoulders are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your shoulders. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your shoulders. Now your shoulders are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your hands. Your hands are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your hands. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your hands. Your hands are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Your fingers are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your fingers. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your fingers. Your fingers are completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Your lungs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your lungs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your lungs. Now your lungs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your heart. Your heart is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your heart. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your heart. Now your heart is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Your abdomen is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your abdomen. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your abdomen. Now your abdomen is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Your backbone is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your backbone. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your backbone. Now your backbone is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Your bottom is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your bottom. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your bottom. Your bottom is completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Your thighs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your thighs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your thighs. Now your thighs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your legs. Your legs are completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your legs. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your legs. Your legs are completely relaxed. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen into your feet. Your feet is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen in your feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your feet. Your feet is completely relaxed now. Now slowly inhale the flow of oxygen from the top of your brain till the bottom of your feet. Your entire body is completely filled with the flow of oxygen. You are feeling the flow of oxygen into your entire body from the top of the brain till the bottom of the feet. Now slowly exhale the flow of oxygen from your entire body. Your complete body is fully relaxed. You are fully relaxed. You are feeling as such you are floating in air. Your body is becoming so lightweight. You are feeling as such you are floating on the air, floating on the water, flying in the air. Now visualize a powerful and beautiful wings came behind your hands. With those powerful and beautiful wings, you are flying high, high, high in the sky. with the pride, with the accomplishment, with the beauty of the successful completion of this day. Yes, you have completed this day. You are flying high and high and high, where you can see your magical mirror, where you can reflect yourself, where you can reflect your beautiful and accomplished, prideful person in you. Now, look at the beautiful sunrise. Visualize the beautiful sunrise when you woke up. Visualize the first thing which you saw when you opened your eyes. Remember the first voice which you heard when you woke up. Visualize the first touch which you felt when you woke up. Visualize the faces of the people whom you saw in the morning. Visualize the happy and the beautiful faces of your family members, your roommates, whom you interacted in the morning. Visualize the yummy and delicious breakfast which you had this morning. Think of the person who prepared the delicious and the yummy breakfast who prepared. Thank the person who prepared. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them aloud. Thank those people. Think of the beautiful things which you did this morning. Think of the beautiful accomplishments which you did today. Think of your friends. Think of your colleagues whom you worked today. Think of your all action plans. Think of what you did till the lunch. Think of the yummy and delicious lunch which you had. Think of every sip you had. Think of the delicious taste. Think of that yummy food. Think of the person who served you. Think of the person who prepared that yummy and delicious food for you. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank aloud. Thank them. Think of all the tasks which you accomplished today. Think of all the day's work, beautiful work which you did. Think of one thing which you learned today. Think of one thing which you tried something new today. Think of something which you tried but failed. Think of something which you tried and succeed. Think of something which made you so happy. Think of something which made you so sad. Think of something which made you proud. Think of something which made you accomplished something. Think of everything you did it. Think of everyone who are with you. Think of everything who helped you. Thank everything and everyone who made you happy today. Thank them from the bottom of the heart. Thank them loud. Think of all your accomplishments. Feel proud of it. You are one of the best and the beautiful person in this world. You are the greatest person in this world. Yes, you accomplished this day. Think of everything what you did today. Think of everything what you achieved today. Thank for yourself. Love yourself. Convey the gratitude yourself. Think of something which you want to forgive. Think of something which you want to forget. Think of something which you want to erase from today. Don't worry about all those things which you want to forgive, all those things which you want to forget, all those things which you want to erase. Just visualize the magic pen in your hand. Yes, you got the magic pen. Write it on the end. The air is flowing away. It's floating like a cloud. It vanished. Yes, all those things you want to forgive, all those things you want to forget, all those things you want to erase, everything gone. Now your mind is completely filled with the positive vibes, positive feelings, positive thoughts, positive words, positive actions. Now you are a powerful person with an accomplished day. You have successfully completed this day. You are the most beautiful, the most important. You are the best and the greatest person in this world. You made it. You achieved it. Hooray! Thank yourself. Appreciate yourself. Now slowly come down to your place. Come down to your place. Come down to your place and come down. Take your hands, rub your palms, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth. Make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, feel the warmth. With a high energy, take a long breath and hold for a second. And slowly release your breath and get relaxed. Release your palm, start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax.
How's your reflection?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
Your voice is not audible. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Am I audible, Yamini?
Yes.
Yes, no, yes, yes. Yes, no. Yes, no, you cannot hear us?
Your voice is not audible actually to me.
Mine? Dhanalakshmi ma'am, உங்களுக்கு கேக்குதா?
Yamini, your network is low.
கேக்குது மேம்.
நான் பேசுறேன் உங்களுக்கு
How
கேக்குதா
about
ma'am?
you,
நீங்க
Dhanalakshmi
பேசுறது
ma'am?
கேக்குது.
Am I audible?
புரிஞ்சு பேசு. கேக்குது. தெரியுது.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible to me.
No, na, like we can hear your voice. You are not able to hear now.
Seems I'm facing some issue. But I cannot hear you. I don't know why.
Hi, sir. Happy evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? You have network issues, I think so.
I don't know what happened to my system, but my voice is not actually audible. Yes, yes, yes. Now it's audible. Some changing has changed. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry for the interruption. Even when reflection was going, it was stable. Can you hear it properly? The reflection sound?
Yes,
Yeah, of
yes,
course,
yes.
sir. We can hear you.
Yeah. The sound also it was clear, right?
No, it
That's
was
clear.
bit dragging. It was bit dragging.
Okay. Okay. Because I was just thinking because I faced some issue. Now it's clear,
No,
right?
yeah. மேம் உங்களுக்கு ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் நடக்கும்போது அந்த வாய்ஸ் லேக் ஆச்சா இல்ல நார்மலா இருந்ததா உங்களுக்கு?
வாய்ஸ் நல்லா
Yes,
வரல மேம்.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
கொஞ்சம் drag
Yeah, I can
ஆச்சுண்ணா.
see.
When the reflection was going on, கொஞ்சம் drag ஆச்சுங்கண்ணா.
In few places, there is some dragging, ma'am. Yeah, of course, I can tell you. Few
Okay.
Yeah,
places,
drag
there is dragging.
ஆச்சுங்கண்ணா.
Okay. I'll just
ஒரு
see.
இடத்துல ஸ்ட்ரக்கே ஆயிடுச்சுங்கண்ணா. It got
Okay.
stuck in one place actually.
Okay. I'll just recheck once again. Yeah. How's the reflection? How's the day? Can you reflect your day?
Yes, ma'am. Anna, are we audible now? You can hear us?
Yes. Pretty much. You are audible. Yeah. I
Okay, now.
sorted out the issue.
Yeah.
Actually, there was an
Okay,
issue
now.
with my
Okay.
system. Actually, I sorted it out. Yes.
Superb.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Please go
yeah.
ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Today was nice.
Good. So, hope you had a good reflection and good memories to remember or recollect.
No, last time also I was asking you like that, right? One question I asked you, is it okay to cry? I was asking you, right?
Yes. You can. That is the reason why we always
Today.
used to say, now, if you want, you can mute your video and audio so that you can do whatever you want.
No, not during the reflection, Anna. Like generally, if we cry, they say that we are weak, right?
No.
So
Only the strong persons can cry. We need dare to cry. So
okay.
there is nothing wrong to cry actually. Even when my kids used to cry, I always used to say, cry aloud. When we cry loud, we lose all that issues, all that fear, all the whatever the pain which we have in our mind. So don't worry
Because
about
I
those
used
things.
to suppress and I used to suppress a lot because I receive that's what I'm transforming myself after coming to know you, right? I'm changing bit by bit. So today my mood was not okay, so I came inside the room, I started crying, I cried for a while, then after that I slept off. Actually, I didn't wanted to do any work the other day. That also you told, if you don't feel like doing anything, just leave it for that time and then you think about it. So I left it for some time, then I proceeded. Then I was able to concentrate, like for the past 3-4 days something was bothering me. How to say now, I thought I was okay, but the thing is it was bothering me and I was not able to concentrate fully in what I was doing. It was bothering me, it was there inside me. So but after crying, it was I'm able to concentrate more on it. That's what I'm able to do my work. Yeah.
Don't worry, Yamini. So everyone will face that issue. So everyone, so not all the days are same. So that is the reason why we always think of our reflection. We take the positivity. It's like a filter. Okay, reflection
Yeah.
is like a filter. We are filtering the entire day in just 20 to 30 minutes, and we are taking only the positivity, so that we'll have that positive intentions. The positivity will make the day more fruitful. That is what we always used to say. It's not just for reflection. That is how we should live in our lead our life as well. Always take the positivity. Get the positivity. So crying is not at all a wrong thing, and you can. And the thing is that always take the positivity and be happy. Then only you will be happy. Okay. Super. See
That's why I
how
didn't attend. And
Dhanalakshmi
yesterday
ma'am.
also.
Yeah, if you can see today,
Yesterday
Dhanalakshmi
also.
ma'am has went to a reception and she took a
Uh-huh.
separate room and she is
Uh-huh.
listening from that room. See
Wow.
how dedicated she is. So that is
Superb,
what
ma'am.
really it was a great thing.
Superb, ma'am.
So everyone will
Ma'am,
have an issues.
ma'am,
If you think about the
ma'am.
issues will be issues
Hello.
forever. You need to
Yeah,
look
tell
out how we can influence
me,
the
ma'am.
thing.
Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
யாமினிமா
Anna, your voice is lagging again. Yeah, சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
முந்தா நேத்து அந்த நாள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு கேட்டாங்களா சார்? எதுக்கு அந்த பழமையா கேட்பாங்க இல்லையா?
ஆமா,
இன்னைக்கு நாள் எப்படி
ஆமா.
நாட் பேட் சார்ன்னு சொன்னா
ஆ,
அவருக்கு புரியல. அவரை அப்புறம் அந்த
ஆ, ஆ,
யூடியூப்ல
ஆ.
போடும்போது அது ஏதோ பேட் செக்ஸ்
ஆ,
அவருக்கு அப்படி கேட்டு அப்படி போட்டிருந்தாங்க.
Understood.
நாட் பேட் சார்ன்னு சொன்னேன், அவருக்கு அது புரியலையா அல்லது தவறுதலா அடிபட்டது தெரியல. பேட் செக்ஸ் போட்டிருந்தாங்க. இப்படி எடுத்துக்கொண்டாங்கன்னு தெரியல. இத சொல்லிருங்களேன்.
ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. கேட்டுட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க. அண்ணா கேட்டுட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க.
Yes, yes.
கேட்டுட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க அண்ணா.
ஓகே ஓகே.
So,
சார் நாட் பேட் சொன்னேன். எப்படி நாள்னு கேட்கும்போது நாட் பேட்
ஆ,
சார்ன்னு சொன்னேன். அவங்களுக்கு வித்தியாசமா அது கேட்டது நல்லா கேட்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
yes, 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 ma'am.
கமெண்ட்ல
I heard
போடும்போது
it. I heard it.
என்ன சார்?
புரிஞ்சுது,
இல்ல
புரிஞ்சுது, ma'am. I
அண்ணா
understood.
கேட்டாங்களாங்கம்மா. அண்ணா
ஓகே
கேட்டாங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே
கேட்டிருக்காங்க.
ஓகே.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, badly I wanted to attend, Anna, but my mood was totally like. That's what I didn't realize that something was bothering me. Something was obstructing me from crying. Everything was going on inside me. I didn't know, but I got stuck somewhere. Then today, I don't know what made me to cry. Morning, I started crying, and after that, after some time, I slept off. Then after that, I started doing my work. Yeah.
Understood. Good, good. Don't worry. So, this problem is
You're there now. You're there now. You're there with us. No need to
nothing
worry.
is permanent in this world. The change is
Yeah,
only
yeah,
one
yeah.
thing which is permanent. So let us be the change and let us adapt to the change. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's how we can lead the
Mm.
life. That's what
No,
we
no,
always
real,
used to say. Even one of the highly effective 7 habits of highly effective people also says the same thing. Always look for what you can do. That is what called influence. So just for an example, see, today Dhanulakshmi ma'am can easily say that I am in a reception, I cannot attend the call. But she made to the call and she took the separate room and she attended from there and she took it. That is what the influence is all about. It's a simple
wow,
example.
ma'am. Wow, wow, wow.
How we can everything in our life is very easy to say, it's very easy to complain or it is very easy to blame, but it is very very essential and a smart way how we can influence ourselves to make the work done. That is what we always used to say, JTBD, job to be done, work to be done. Whatever the work to be done, if we are assuring that yes I have to do, that is what called dedication, that is what called passion. How dedication comes? Through the passion. If you have a passion, yes I have to do this, I don't need any reminders, I don't need someone to push me, I have it is my responsibility. If I take it as a responsibility, I'll have a passion. If I have a passion, dedication will automatically comes and I will do that. I'll definitely do that. That is what is called a perfect work management. So when we do that one, we don't bother about the results, we bother only about the productive efforts, whether we are putting the efforts in the right way or not. So putting efforts is a different thing and putting a productive efforts is a different way. So efforts now, just for the namesake we are doing it, but putting a productive efforts, we are completely aware of why we are doing and what we are doing. Then only we are doing the productive efforts. That is what we always used to say. So focus on it and be productive. Will definitely achieve. Don't bother about the results. That's what in Gita says, na, everything done by me. Okay, whatever is you are doing, that is done by me, everything is by me. That is what Krishna says. So believe in such things. You believe in such things as you are putting your complete efforts, productive efforts, with a complete awareness. Don't bother about the results, automatically everything will happen.
Super.
If that's not happening now, definitely you will get the results. tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Every efforts, productive efforts will have a fruitful results. If it's not now, definitely one day you will get. So don't bother about anything. Don't take anything to the mind. That's what.
நீங்க எதை போட்டா சரியாதான் இருக்கும்?
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
எதை போட்டாலும் நல்லா இருக்கும்.
She's talking to someone else now.
Okay. I'll mute her. I muted. Okay. So always focus on the things which makes you happy. If you are sad, you are doing the things which you are making sad. I always used to say, life is in your hand. No one can do anything. Nothing is there in anyone's hand. Everything is in your hand. That is why I always used to say that finger rotation. The world, your world is in your hands. It's up to you. You can decide with your 5 fingers. Strength, focus, parents, partner, children or family. These 5 decides you what you are. If you don't want them, you are nothing. Or if you have all, that is the fist. The fist is nothing but your power.
Strength.
If you want to be a powerful, you should have these 5 things. Strength, focus, parents, partner, family or kids, children. This is the thing. So remember this thing. So if you give time to everyone, if you give time for everything, definitely you can make a difference. Otherwise, we cannot expect anything. Clear?
Thanks a lot na.
Anyone have any other doubts?
Saranya was about to say something. Saranya?
She was talking about this thing only. The voice is some fever.
Hi, ma'am.
You were about to say something, right?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
Kanna.
you are.
Yes,
No,
you
ma'am,
are
no,
audible.
I don't want to say anything.
Okay.
I don't want to share anything else, ma'am.
Anna, the exercise is really superb, Anna. I really want to
Hi,
thank you. The Z2A, right?
Yes.
It's a real challenge, actually.
Yeah, of course, sir. Of course.
Super. Good.
Of course, sir.
Good. So try to add more.
But still, I am unable to control my anger, sir.
That is what is in your
What, sir?
hand only. When you keep on saying I am unable to control my anger, so whenever you get anger, for how many minutes you will get anger?
Every day.
Now we can change the challenge.
Hello,
then.
sir.
How many minutes you will get anger? That many hundreds we can pay to Yamini. What do you say, Yamini?
I unable to catch you, sir. Unable to catch you. Come again, sir. What do you say?
Yamini will call you and explain you.
இல்லப்பா எவ்வளவு மினிட்ஸ் நீங்க கோவமா இருக்கீங்களோ அவ்வளோ ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் எனக்கு கொடுப்பீங்களாமா.
Okay, sir. But I had to give sir. 24/7 I keep on shouting and yelling.
ಹೌದೌದಾ ಪಣಕಾರ ಆಯ್ತಂಗ ಯಾಮಿನಿ. She'll become a rich person in the world. Gift from 7 PM Reflection Club to Yamini, the richest woman in the world, Yamini. Supported by Saranya Priya, SSBD.
Sir, give some suggestion to reduce my anger. Give some activities, sir.
You first
Like
join the
Z2
5 AM club. Every day join the 5 AM club and do the exercise daily.
Sir, you know thing, day before yesterday I started attendance to join 5 AM clubs.
Okay.
You know, I'll send a pic. Day before yesterday I properly
No, I want you to do it daily.
But yesterday I absent.
Yeah. I want to do it
Definitely
daily.
today onwards. Okay. Sir. From tomorrow onwards I definitely join 5 AM.
If you miss anything, then 100 to Yamini.
Surely, sir.
1 day absent, 100 to Yamini.
But
1 minute
sir,
anger, 100 to Yamini.
one condition, sir. One condition. If I wanna give money to her, she has to come to my home. She will have to come to my home.
Yeah,
Then only I'll give.
she will make account. She will prepare an account book. Anyhow, she will buy a 500 rupees 500 pages book, because that is what the confidence that she has. She will finish the entire book and she will bring that book to you and take out the money.
Okay,
எங்கப்பா
definitely.
இருக்கீங்க எங்க இருக்கீங்க சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க பணமே கொடுக்க வேண்டாம், நேர்ல வந்து பார்த்துட்டு வாங்க.
We'll.
Pondicherry, ma'am.
Super.
பாண்டிச்சேரி
தானேப்பா.
வில்லியனூர்.
பாண்டிச்சேரி எங்க இருக்கு? இங்கதானே இருக்கு, வந்துட்டா போச்சு, அவ்வளவுதானே.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
Surely you'll come, ma'am. I wanna see you.
From Malaysia, she will take flight direct.
I'd like to.
சொல்லுங்கண்ணா, என்ன ஏன்னா வந்துட்டா போச்சுடா, என்னடா
I'd like
பாண்டிச்சேரி
to
என்ன
see.
சொல்லுடா.
Sure. I
Ma'am,
think
at
we
the
have
same
one
time, I
more
would like to
minute.
see Manikandan sir itself, ma'am.
Daily we are seeing
Mani.
that.
In person now, we want to meet in person.
In person, I want to see you.
Definitely. When you
I want to meet you in person, sir.
when we make you a happy Saranya, the Unmiyana Saranya will definitely come and meet you. That is the target, okay?
Definitely, sir. I keep
Next
on trying,
year-
sir. You will
next year,
definitely make
January
me
1st.
to be a happy Saranya, sir. I have hope.
Exactly. Next
That's
year,
the
January
first
1st,
step
it's
to
not just
take.
Happy New Year, it's
இல்லப்பா.
also a Happy Saranya.
இல்ல ஒரே ஒரு
Definitely,
டிப்
sir.
என்னன்னாடா, ஒரே ஒரு டிப் என்னன்னா, அண்ணா என்னென்ன சொல்றாரோ அதெல்லாம் நல்லா காதுல வாங்கிக்கோ. அது அப்பப்போ உனக்கு லைக் when the situation comes implement பண்ண, அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay. I think it's time up, okay?
ஓகேண்ணா, ஓகே.
See you tomorrow.
என்ஜாய் யுவர் டின்னர்.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank
Take
you,
a
sir. Thank you so
satisfied and
much.
great dreams.